friends, welcome to our YouTube channel SS Tutorial. Okay, we provide the all the lectures about the engineering as well as of 10th and 12th standard of CBSE. Our subject name is PPE, that is Power Plant Engineering. Basically, this subject is for both diploma as well as degree students. Okay, in PPE, our first module is energy. Okay, first module is energy. So what do you mean by energy? Basically, energy means the capacity to do work is known as energy. Means it's having ability to take or to create a changes in the system. It is known as energy. Then unit of energy is joule or Newton meter. Okay. Then what are the different source of energy? Basically, the source of energy is defined as the from which we get the energy is known as source of energy. Okay. Then classification of energy. This is the very much important topic. Okay. Basically, in all your exam, this point is asked. Okay. The first energy source is primary and secondary energy sources. Okay. First one, what do you mean by primary and secondary? Primary means first, means from nature we get the energy source. We get the energy is known as energy source. Is known as primary energy source. Means those energy which are available in nature. Okay, are known as primary energy sources, and secondary energy sources is that source is basically that converted is in it is available in converted form, means that are converted from the primary sources and then it is used for to produce the mechanical work. Okay, the primary energy sources examples are solar, hydro, wind. Hydro means water, wind energy, ocean energy, ocean such as tidal and geothermal. Okay, and secondary energy sources like petrol, oil, diesel, kerosene, CNG, LPG, etc. Okay, means basic difference of primary and secondary energy sources. Primary energy source that are available in nature, already available in nature. Okay, and secondary energy sources, these energy sources are basically in converted form and and it is used for to produce the mechanical work. Okay, basically from crude oil, petrol, oil, diesel, kerosene, etc. are getting. Okay, so it is called as secondary energy sources. Then second one is conventional and non-conventional. Conventional, it is also called as commercial energy source, and non-conventional it is also called as non-commercial energy source. Conventional means what? Basically, the conventional means those energy sources which are uses in our regular life. Okay, are called as conventional, and non-conventional means it is opposite. Okay, so conventional energy sources, those energy sources, the energy source of energy that are available to the user. Okay, that are available to the user at some price in market. Okay, are called as conventional energy source. Then non-conventional energy source, this the energy source of energy are not available in market, means which are freely available to the user. Okay, are called as non-conventional energy sources. Basically, the conventional energy sources are coal, oil, petroleum, natural gas, electricity. Okay, all of you know about this because electricity, for electricity we also paid the monies. Okay, for coal, oil, also for petroleum. Petroleum means diesel, petrol. For that also we spend the some money. Okay, so it is conventional base. And then in non-conventional means which are directly available to the user. Okay, freely available to the user means, for example, firewood. Okay, firewood, agriculture waste, animal waste means we don't have to spend the money for on sources. Okay, animal waste means there collect the cow dung. Okay, this cow dung are basically used in what power plant? Basically used in biogas. Okay, next difference is conventional energy sources which are commercial, used for commercial purpose, means in our general life. Okay, and non-conventional energy sources which are generally used for domestic consumptions, means for to produce the gas like methane, ethane. Basically these sources are used in biogas. Okay, next difference, next source of energies are renewable and non-renewable. Renewable means those sources which are going to recycled. Okay, which are going to be recycled, means त्याचं रिसायकलिंग करता येतं, त्या एनर्जी सोर्सला रिन्युएबल एनर्जी सोर्स बोलतात. And those energy source which cannot be replaced and recycled are called as non-renewable energy sources. Means renewable energy source means जे सोर्स पुन्हा आपण रिसायकल करू शकतो. मीन्स एकदा यूज केल्यानंतर त्याला पुन्हा आपण रिसायकलिंग करून पुन्हा यूज करू शकतो. ओके, त्या एनर्जी सोर्सला रिन्युएबल एनर्जी सोर्स बोलतात. आणि जे आपण पुन्हा रिसायकलिंग करू शकत नाही अशा एनर्जी सोर्सला नॉन रिन्युएबल एनर्जी सोर्सेस बोलतात. बेसिकली द रिन्युएबल एनर्जी सोर्स आर इनएक्झॉस्टिबल. इनएक्झॉस्टिबल मीन्स त्याचं डेट नाही आहे. ओके, डेट नाही होत. ओके, अँड दिस नॉन रिन्युएबल एनर्जी सोर्सेस आर एक्झॉस्टिबल. ओके, मीन्स याला लिमिटेशन्स आहे की एक पर्टिक्युलर लिमिटला हे याची लाईफ एंड होणार. Okay, so examples of renewable energy sources are hydro, that is water, solar, wind. Okay, geothermal means they use the like volcano. They use volcano. And in non-renewable energy sources means like coal, oil, natural gas, nuclear energy. These are exhaustible source. Okay, then in renewable energy sources our fourth difference is environmental pollutions. These energy sources cannot take a role to environmental pollution, means it is non harmful to environment. And non renewable energy sources produce some pollutant gas, that is they are harmful to environment, means they create a pollution to environment. Hence generally use the our government also trying to use these renewable energy sources. Okay, thank you.